It is no longer a news that Simon Ekpa has been arrested by the Finnish government in Finland. All right, so but there's a question I want to ask us today. The arrest of Simon Ekpa, can it actually stop Biafra? Because this is the intention of those that worked and got him arrested. All right, so the arrest of Simon Ekpa, what has it to do with Biafra? Will it stop Biafra agitation, or will it stop Biafra actualization? Will it really stop it? This is a question we really need to ask ourselves. It's not about arresting him, because Simon Ekpa is just one man. What about the rest? There are many speculations over the media that they pushed for this arrest just to distort the December 2nd declaration, the meeting that they stipulated to hold on 2nd of December 2024 in Finland. All right, so many people believe that this arrest was to distort that meeting, to make sure they stop that declaration of the Biafran state. So, but do you think that this thing will stop it? That is the question I'm actually asking us today.
I welcome all the cabinet members here present, both at home and cabinet members in the de facto government. I welcome and thank our Biafra Liberation Army, our Biafra Defense Forces that are on ground doing the needful to ensure that the restoration of Biafra is not tampered with by anybody, by any government, foreign or local. Our determination to redeclare Biafra between November 29th and December the 2nd, both in Finland and in de facto homeland, is a task that every Biafran, every individual listening here today must be involved in. As the previous speakers have noted, our able Prime Minister, His Excellency Simon Ekpa, will be with us in a very few period. This is just a short delay that will in no way affect what we are doing, demean our spirit or hamper our resoluteness. Restore Biafra on 2nd December. His Excellency, I greet you. I thank you for the wonderful job you are doing to restore Biafra. I thank you for your resilience. I thank you for not going in or trying to negotiate. That is the spirit of Sisu. Every single individual here in the Biafra government grows with that spirit of Sisu. We are more determined now than before for the restoration of the independent state of Biafra on 2nd December 2024. Nothing in this life, absolutely nothing will deter us. Nothing will stop us. So on this note, I want to bring to the notice of all Biafrans that our Prime Minister is safe and sound, very healthy in Finland, attending to these issues that usually most of us know. The terrorist state of Nigeria will always try, in one way or the other, to bribe their way into all the different foreign countries, to bribe their way into places like United Nations, African Union, to bribe their way into every internationally established community or organization. The Nigerian government, using the Europeans, using United Kingdom as part of their deal, will always try to disrupt, will always try to tamper with the restoration of Biafra, United States of Biafra. But I want to tell everybody listening here today that the power that Nigerian government has, where they stop is where this government begins. I need them to know that our Excellency, His Excellency, the Prime Minister of Biafra Republic, Simon Ekpa, has already led a full structure for the restoration of Biafra. Nobody on earth will stop that. We are both at home and we are abroad. Biafra will be restored from diaspora. Our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, has led the structure by introducing His Excellency Simon Ekpa to be in charge of this ship where we are right now. And that ship is on course. Our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, or you all should remember, he is with the Nigerian DSS today because of what we are doing. Our leader, Nnamdi Kanu, has said, instead of Biafra not to come, Nigeria will be burned to ashes. And I promise you today, instead of Biafra not to come, we, every single individual in Biafra government, in all the structures that our PM has laid down, we will burn Nigeria down. And any country, both international and in homeland, that tries to tamper, that tries to intervene, that tries to stop this restoration, that country will get the brunt of Biafra.
You know, this system of capturing and keeping in the prison, keeping in the jail, has been the system that Nigerian government is operating with. But the truth is, it's not really working. It's not working. They tried it with Ojukwu, it didn't work. It resulted in a war that lasted for over 3 years, that claimed more than 3 million Biafrans. Children died out of hunger and women. All right, it didn't work. From there, they moved to Wazirike. Wazirike at times was in prison and all that. It didn't still work. They didn't still stop it. It didn't stop the agitation. All right, the agitator may be stopped, but the agitation will not stop. That is one thing you must understand. You can stop an agitator, but you cannot stop agitation. Until what they are agitating for is corrected, the agitation will not stop. It's just a simple truth. They tried, they stopped Wazirike, he got tired and he did to his best he can do, and he's relaxed as of today. And before you know, there was another guy that picked up from there, and after some time, that one too rested. You know, until after so many years, you know, that Nnamdi Kanu came up and he started preaching, he started talking and all that, and you know, people started looking for him until finally they caught him in Kenya with a bad way. In a bad way, they actually kidnapped him because that was not arrest. That was not arrest. So Nigeria broke an international law of passing through backyard to go and get somebody that has a dual citizenship, and they brought him back and they put him in jail today. And their court has given them order to release him without a crime because he didn't commit anything according to the court. Until today, they are still holding him. They disobeyed their own court order. When they actually kept Nnamdi Kanu in the prison, they thought that would be the end of agitation. That is just an agitator. Nnamdi Kanu is one agitator, but he's not the agitation. Nobody knew any day that there was somebody like Simon Ekpa that can come up and begin to, you know, do what he's doing today. You know, that begin to deal with the Nigerian army, according to the chief of army staff, that he said that Simon Ekpa has become a menace. All right, nobody heard about him. Nobody knew that there was somebody like that. But when you took a leader, an agitator, you know, somebody rose up, and you see that the things that Simon Ekpa is doing, you know, it seems that Nnamdi Kanu was more merciful, was more considerate compared to Simon Ekpa. It's becoming hard all the time. So do you think that even if you arrest Simon Ekpa now, you manage to keep him in one place, which I see to be near impossible, you think that you can stop agitation? All right, I don't think so. And I don't think it will actually happen, because another person will still rise up. It will continue. It will continue, because this is a dream. This is something that has been enshrined in the DNA of anybody that is a true Igbo man, a true Easterner, a true Biafran. If you stop one agitator, another agitator will rise, because agitation must continue until they actualize their dream or their complaint is addressed. So now that they have succeeded holding him down, you know, knowing fully well he has actually established a government in exile, and he has his cabinet members within the government in exile, the Brigade. And do you think that the Brigade will keep quiet and the meeting that is stipulated on the 2nd of December will not hold? The declaration that is stipulated will not hold? Is that what you think? All right, so let me know right there in the comment section. Let's know what is your thoughts. What is really your thought, or what do you think that the government, you know, of the Brigade will do, the cabinet that Mazi Simon Ekpa has been able to set up? What do you think they will do in his absence, when he's not around? Now that they have held him down, what do you think is the way forward? Are they going to cancel that meeting? Are they going to just keep quiet, just like the same way that everyone was quiet when Nnamdi Kanu was kidnapped? All right, let us know right there in the comment section. And please share this video to reach everyone around you and within your contact. Let them share their opinion. God bless you. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel. This is a place where we pass out true information, very realistic information, and with the well-being of everyone that desire freedom. God bless you. See you next time in my next video.